Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to start with the ancient history, the early man, the Paleolithic age, phases of Paleolithic age and Mesolithic age we are going to discuss in this video. So let us begin with the early man. The fossils of early human beings have been found in Africa about 2.6 million years ago. Okay, but there are no such evidence in India, so it appears that India was inhabited later than Africa. So one of the most important site that is present in Maharashtra, that is called the Bori site, from which we came to know that human beings in India was around 1.4 million years ago. The evolution of Earth crust uh, shows four stages. The most important stages is the Pleistocene, that is the most recent, and the Holocene, that is the present. The Pleistocene age is the important because it is said that man appeared on earth for the first time in early Pleistocene period, is also called as ice age. So man used the tools called made up of stone, so it is also called as stone age. So stone age has been divided into three parts: Paleolithic, Mesolithic and Neolithic. Paleo means old, lithic means stone, so Paleolithic is also called as old stone age. Meso means middle, lithic means stone, so Mesolithic is also called middle stone age. Neo means new, so it is also called as new stone age. So now let us discuss the Paleolithic age, which lasts from 5 lakh BC to 9000 BC as a exam point of view, prelims point of view. So it seems that Paleolithic man belongs to Negrito race. In this, Homo sapiens also first time appeared towards the end of this phase. We have to Paleolithic men were hunters and food gatherers. They had no knowledge about agriculture, fire, or pottery. They used the tools which are unpolished. They lived in a cave rock shelter, and they also called as Corset men. This we are know as a exam point of view. So now let us discuss this Paleolithic age, or divide this Paleolithic age into three parts, that is the early or lower Paleolithic, middle Paleolithic, upper Paleolithic. In early Paleolithic, climate humidity has decreases, and they use the tools which are the hand axe, clevers and choppers they are using. And present day these sites located at Sohan Valley, Punjab. The middle Paleolithic, they further decrease in humidity of climate, so they use the tools like fleck blades, points, bores and scrapers they are using. And the site which located present day, that is valleys of Son, Narmada and Tungabhadra rivers, are the middle Paleolithic sites. Paleolithic sites, they climate was warm climate, and they use the tools like scrapers and burin. And the present day upper Paleolithic site is the Bhimbetka site, present in Madhya Pradesh near Bhopal. This is very important. Now let us discuss the Mesolithic age, which lasts from 9000 BC to 4000 BC, which also called as a transitional phase between Paleolithic and Neolithic, because in this age climate became warm and dry, which brought about changes in flora and fauna and made it possible for human beings to move to new places. In this, the Mesolithic people lived on hunting, fishing, and food gathering. They now started fishing also, and domestication of animal also they started. They producing this tool made up of stone in microlith size. So this microlith size first appears in history, so this Mesolithic age is very important. And they started the domestication of animal like dog, from where we came to know that is the Adamgarh in Madhya Pradesh is the important site, and Bagor in Rajasthan is provide us the earliest evidence for the domestications of animal. They also practice the painting, which we can see in Bhimbetka caves. So in Bhimbetka caves we can see the Paleolithic and Mesolithic painting also. So this Mesolithic age is also called as transitional phase between Paleolithic and Neolithic. So this is very important. As point of view, question might be asked from these ages. In next video we are going to cover Neolithic and Chalcolithic culture also. Okay, so thank you so much.